In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix HBO app login problem. So if you're trying to log into your HBO account in the application and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because of the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the login problem might be caused because of some problem in the subscription. HBO is the paid account. So in order to access it, you need to pay a certain amount. So make sure you've done the payment. Also make sure your subscription hasn't expired. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're facing the problem, there might be some bugs in the application itself. In that case, what you have to do is simply update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for HBO Max. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various results over here. Find the application for HBO Max and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. After you do that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your login problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. So for that, what you have to do is launch open the app library of your device. Find the application for HBO Max. Long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of HBO Max. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, Storage and Cache. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, clear cache. After you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared. Now try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try contacting the HBO Max support. For that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in help.hbomax.com. Now search for it. Now you'll be led to the help interface of HBO Max. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for contact us. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to contact them. You'll be able to type in your message over here. Tap on the message bar. Now simply type in your message. Now after you type in the message, tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here the message has been sent. Now HBO Max digital assistant will respond to you. Simply answer all the questions and follow the instructions. After that, your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix HBO Max login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.